you ready to go?
Yeah, I've been freaking ready all day.
Are you ready to go hiking? Marilyn, are you ready to go hiking? I've been ready to go. He thinks that I always take the longest time to get ready, and I don't. You have to get water, to get food. Okay? Don't worry, honey, I'll get the stuff. Okay.
I heard something out there. I thought you were talking to yourself.
I was talking to myself.
Oh.
We go throw this in the trash just so we
I'm just
don't
gonna
have to.
probably wear this today.
Thank you, honey. I love you. Clothes, sunscreen. There's all kinds of stuff. You have to get ready, okay? Okay.
And today we're at the
Jake, the driver, the guy that holds this whole crew together. What's happening in your world today?
Welcome, old Mr. Merlin here. Merlin is our little rescue dog. My sister found him actually when she was working in a restaurant. He was probably like just dropped off randomly. And anyway, long story short, he's a cool little Jacoby, Jack Russell Beagle mix, and he's coming along. Ain't that right, Merlin?
Idea how long the trail is going to be.
We're on this tiny little windy road.
We have no idea what the waterfall is going to look like.
We're on the road, man. Alright, we found the trail. We weren't sure if we were going to be able to find it, but we did. Good change of pace for us. We thought for sure, like, oh, okay, well, if anything, we're going to make the most out of the day.
But this looks super nice.
Yeah, props, Raina, props. And we're the only ones here. I can't believe it. It's amazing. Alright, what do you think, Ben? What do you think of this waterfall?
Wait!
That's a very deep hole.
Yeah.
So, Mommy? Ready? Is he up there? Is he up there? I'll jump, Mommy, jump.
Crazy, baby.
So we have the first waterfall. Now we got this up here. This is amazing. Okay, so let's go check that out. Oh my God. That's some dark water. This is one of those ones that like really just blows you away. I wish there was people with me. You know, we got Finn, and so Jake and I couldn't climb up here at the same time. So I wish someone was here to enjoy this with me. This is a legit paradise. Definitely one of the most amazing places that I've ever been, ever. This is some dark water. River monsters, man, they're in there, I swear. So this is the part I hadn't really thought out yet. I don't have a wristband, so I don't know if I want to jump off that high holding the GoPro. And I don't know if I want to climb back down the waterfall either.